Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. So today is a bit of a loose ends pickup day. So different things I've started during the week: hoof picks, Christmas tree ornaments, stocking hangers that aren't finished yet. All of these little things that are sort of the bread and butter items that we also make besides knives. Oh, and I have some knives in the trade as well. Have to have those ready to be on the table this weekend for people to buy and take home. So come along with me on that, and I'll show you how I do some of these small items that are awesome. I don't know. Yeah. Forge scale? What forge scale? I've got a wee jig here. So anytime you're doing a simple process more than like twice, it's a good idea usually to have some kind of a jig that allows you to continue doing that without resetting each time. In this case, this is nothing more than a piece of square tubing with a couple of holes drilled in it, and that allows me to stick the railroad spike in like so, and then drill the hole that it's lined up with at that time. So I got a passel of these railroad spike hooks all cleaned up and ready to go on someone's wall to aid in the fight against disorganized clothing and other items. Okay, where are we at here? Need to temper those next. Let's see what else. Been working on a pile of railroad spike hooks. I'm drilling the holes on a whole new batch. The kiln is cooled down enough to where I can now temper the knives. So I'm gonna get those in there and get right back to all the other projects. Little Damascus blade. Oh, you can't see it, never mind. So let me show you what the plan is on these little stocking hanger hooks. I want to put a twist somewhere in here, and then I have to taper the end. The twist is something I want to be uniform on each one. When you're twisting a piece of material, there's a couple different ways to isolate that twist so that it doesn't wander and so that it is uniform across various pieces. And that is by containing the twist and or heat concentration. So there you have it. Nice little twist, no muss, no fuss. This is sure to aid in the general well-being and spirit of Christmas. Got these guys all twisted. Now I just have to taper the ends. have a passel of these little hooks done, and I'm going to let some vinegar take care of the forge scale overnight or so. Just let that sit in there and it'll eat off that forge scale, and we'll be able to clean them up and wipe them down with beeswax or whatever. And I don't have to sit there and do anything with them. So that's done for now. Guys, thanks for coming along today on this little odds and ends and bits and pieces type of shop day. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and hit the notifications button, that'd be awesome as well. Thanks for watching and have a great day.